Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you add Google Analytics to Godaddy? Well, let's go ahead. It's going to be really simple, so bear with me in this one. Inside the Godaddy domain here, you just basically type in Google Analytics. Search the domain. Just wait for it to load here. And in here, there's a bunch of platforms you could choose from. You can connect via premium, via free one as well. You can basically click on add to cart, whichever it is you like the price that suits you. So we are choosing this one, the exact match. Click on continue. Just wait for it to load a little bit here. Continue to cart. Alright, and that's just basically it. You pay via credit card, you also pay via PayPal, so there's a bunch of software you could pay this from. It range from the subtotal is 6,798. So yeah, that's just basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.